Hi guys, this is Victoria here with Women Entrepreneurs. I just want to make this quick video to show you guys what I do and how I've been able to generate more income in the last 4 weeks than I would have at my full-time job in the course of 4 months. So pretty much all I do is I post ads to social media, and the ads generate sales and the company pays me a commission for it. You guys are on Facebook all the time. You guys are on all other social media platforms all the time. So I mean, why not get paid for it? Seriously. So a couple of things I wanted to show you guys today is my bank statements, showing you guys my back office and how, showing you guys the amounts that I've made, the dates and everything like that they've been direct deposited in. And I just really want to talk about how such a blessing this company has been for me. I've been able to, work at home, spend time with my family. My husband can work at home now. We don't have to pay for daycare. Daycare is super expensive. And it's just been so amazing. I've been able to have so much freedom when it comes to being able to pay for my bills. I've been able to not live paycheck to paycheck. And I just couldn't be any happier, with this company. And I'm so glad that I took the leap of faith that I did. So like I said, I'm going to show you guys some proof here. I'm not going to show you guys cash this time. I'm going to show you guys my bank statements. I mean, you can't get more realer than that. It's a bank statement. It has my name on it. It is real. This is not a scam. If it was a scam, I wouldn't be putting my face out there. I wouldn't be, letting this video go all the way out into the public for me just to be scamming a bunch of people. That just doesn't make sense. So again, like I said, I'm going to show you guys these bank statements. I'm going to show you guys my back office, and you guys will see that within these last 4 weeks, the amount of money that I've made. Okay guys, as you can see, I'm in my back office here showing you the amounts that I've made in these last 4 weeks. And as you can see, my first week I made $693, my second week was $1,494, and then my third week I was at over $2,700. And then this past Friday, guys, I got $3,100, over $3,100. Can you guys imagine that? And if you guys add this up, it'll be equal to be about just over $8,000. That's just amazing to me. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys my bank statement. And we all know bank statements don't lie. If you guys look up to the left, my name says Victoria. And there's those amounts there. That's $693, that $1,494, $27, and over $3,100. That was just direct deposited last Friday. Okay, so as you guys have seen, I have shown you guys my bank statements. I've showed you guys my back office, showing you what I've made in these last 4 weeks and that they've been direct deposited into my bank account. And so if you guys are interested and you guys want more information, on how to get started, please like this video, share this video, and comment done so that I can send you all the information to get you guys started as soon as possible. Again, please follow all 3 steps, which is liking this video, sharing this video, and commenting done. If you guys can't follow those 3 steps, I can't take you guys seriously, and I don't want to waste my time sending you guys the information. So like I said, like, share, and comment done. Thank you, and have a blessed day.